You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Mostly cloudy skies out there today. A slight chance we could see some flurries, just about a 30 or 40% chance there, though. So most likely it's inactive today. And in terms of temperature, around the 0 mark is the high we'll get to. But we do have the wind chill factor, making it feel more like minus 14 degrees. So do stay warm today. Our Futurecast images here showing us again mostly cloudy skies for our Tuesday. Now Wednesday afternoon, we could see a rain-snow mix in the afternoon with those higher temperatures that we will see. And Thursday, mostly cloudy. We could see some more flurry action, though, as well. Belleville today, high of 1 degree. Again, mostly cloudy skies. You got some windy conditions out there as well. Some more windy conditions for Wednesday, and temperatures, like I was mentioning, increasing to 4 as the high with that rain-snow mix. Overcast skies and right on the money in terms of the average for this time of year for your Thursday. Brockville, very similar here, just at freezing point today, but it's going to feel more like minus 7 degrees with overcast skies. Now that keeps up Wednesday and Thursday. Tomorrow, seeing some rain there, high of 3, minus 2 for your Thursday. Smiths Falls, overcast skies today, minus 2 degrees. Then you jump to plus 2 for your Wednesday with some flurries or some rain there and some windy conditions as well, dropping back down to minus 3 with overcast skies for your Thursday. Taking a look at Kingston's 5-day forecast here now. As we head towards the weekend, that's when we could see some more sunshine getting there, though. Overcast skies today with 1 degree. Now tomorrow, plus 3 degrees with some windy conditions, rain snow mix, minus 2 and overcast for Thursday, minus 7 with some flurries. It's looking like to end our week. But as I was mentioning, Saturday looking like we could see some sunshine, but some cooler temperatures as well, minus 6 degrees at this point.
Yes, a push from the south is bringing our temperatures up, but that means we could get quite a mess tomorrow. Mixed precipitation on the way, and look out for those winds. Wind warning for the Kingston area and special weather statements regarding the wind for other areas. We'll talk about that in just a minute. 1 degree for a high in Kingston today. Look, Belleville did better. I don't know what they're doing in the Quinte region, but 11, really? Their thermometer must be broken. A little glitch in the software, maybe. I don't know, but it was probably closer to a 1. We'll just hide that one right there. There you go. Minus 1 in Brockville, minus 2 in Smiths Falls and Ottawa. We had a 0 in Peterborough, 1 in Oshawa, and 2 in Toronto today. I'm pretty sure it was a plus 1 in Belleville. Southerly winds 32 kilometers per hour reported at the top of the hour with gusts up to 43. Much windier tomorrow as we start to see that southerly shift around, become more westerly in the afternoon. 75% relative humidity right now. Just a trace of flurries. We were expecting that. There was a chance of flurries last night, and we had less than a centimeter, just a nice little dusting. There's more to come. We've got that mess tomorrow, but following that, we could see even more snow. And here's why. Okay, so we have this low moving through tonight and through the day tomorrow, and this is what's going to bring the mixed precipitation. It really doesn't get going until the morning, and it'll probably start off as a wet flurry, but temperature's going to rise. You had a 1 today, it's going to be up to 3 tomorrow, so you'll see rain as a result of this. As it pushes through, we see temperatures dropping again. The second low in behind this, the one that's moving in tandem with the first one, will bring you probably some snow. We've got high pressure dropping into the north, bringing Arctic air in, and that's going to bring you some flurries. We could reinforce that too with another low coming in, so don't worry, you're not going to wash all the snow away. We might for a day lose it, but then we'll get some more of the white stuff. You know we will. So partly cloudy skies tonight, but that cloud increases in the morning, and then you get into, oh look, we're right on that snow line, they call it the freezing line. So we're right on Lake Ontario, on the shores of Lake Ontario and the mouth of St. Lawrence, and because of that, you've got this warm body of water that is giving you this lake effect temperature. And so those close to the north shores of Lake Ontario, probably more rain. As you get away from that and cross the pink line, you get into snow. That pink line is what scares me, because that's where you get the mixed, and I think that's what we're going to see tomorrow. At that 3 Celsius, it'll probably be rain, but before that and after that, could be a little dicey. There is a risk of freezing rain. I know we've had our share of that so far. As it pushes through, cold air moves in. The probability of flurries and snow over Thursday, but only 40 to 60% through the day. The real snow will probably come through the overnight. Belleville, Wednesday, it's a high 3 with mixed precipitation. Windy conditions. Special weather statement regarding your wind. It's going to be about 40 to 60 kilometers per hour with gusts to about 80. And then Thursday, just cloudy, high -3 with snow developing. And then Friday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a cool -7, getting down to minus double digits at night again over Thursday and Friday night. Brockville seeing the same, a high 3 with mixed precipitation. Tomorrow, Thursday, -3, cloudy with snow developing overnight. And Friday, it's just a 20% chance of a flurry in the morning. I think you'll just see a cloudy day. Smiths Falls, a high 2 with flurries. Southwest winds gusting to 60. Thursday, a high -4, cloudy with flurries overnight. And Friday, a 40% chance of flurries and a high of -8. Kingston, wind warning in effect for tomorrow, high 3. And yeah, you've got some snow turning to rain by noon and then back to some flurries by night. Watch out for that wind, gusting up to 80, maybe even higher over the lake. Thursday, a high -2 with a good chance of flurries in the afternoon and snow overnight. Friday, -7, a 40% chance of flurries, just a mix of sun and clouds. Saturday with a high -6 and +3 Sunday with more mixed precipitation. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
This one comes from Bill Hassan, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, of Kingston. This is the south shores of Wolf Island, a seagull flying over the surf. A nice black and white shot. Very nice, Bill. Thanks for sending it along. If you've got pictures, share them with us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
That was a great picture. So, Bill, this wind warning, how will it compare to the nasty windstorm we got a couple weeks ago?
Well, I think it's going to be pretty close. I don't think it's going to be quite as bad, but you, at times, probably afternoon through evening, you're going to see it in excess of 80 the sustained winds, and they could, for an hour or two, gust up over 90. So I think, generally speaking, for the whole day, you're looking at about 40 to 60 with gusts to 80, but there's that peak period where it could get a little nasty in the early evening.
I have a fence that's barely holding on, so we'll see how it does.
A lot of fences in our neighborhood. Jonah and I live in the same area, and we've noticed over the last couple of windstorms, people losing their fences.
It's a problem.
Yes, it is.
Well, thanks, but we'll catch up with you for the long range in just a little bit. On the next Global News Morning, some exciting news for Toronto.
Bit of a wet mess. There's wind warnings tomorrow and mixed precipitation. Sustained winds could be between 60 and 80 kilometers per hour with gusts over 90, especially along the waterfront tomorrow in the Kingston area. So high 3, starts off as snow, turns to rain. Windy, yeah. Thursday, a high -2, cloudy, and a chance of flurries in the afternoon, but snow developing overnight. We could get a couple centimeters. Friday, high -7, still a 40% chance of flurries. For Saturday, though, no activity, a high -6, mix of sun and cloud, but Sunday, temperatures rise and we get back into another mix. Monday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high -9, and cooling off Tuesday, only a high of -15 and a mix of sun and cloud.
All right, well, we'll be back right after this.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
More low pressure heading our way and bringing us some mixed precipitation. Not just one, but a couple lows pushing through. And as they do, we see a dusting of flurries like we had last night. We could see maybe a centimeter or two as the snow rolls through Thursday. But for tomorrow, it's going to be more so a bit of a wet mess. It's going to be mixed precipitation. That warm front, we're going to remain on the warm side of that. And because of Lake Ontario being a warmer body of water, it's probably going to contribute a little more rain, changing that precipitation to rain. We do have a cold front that comes in behind it, high pressure out of the north, and so that Arctic air is going to cool things down in the wake of that. And that's when you'll see your flurries and periods of snow developing on Thursday. Maybe a little late in the day, but it's going to get going. Belleville, up to 3 degrees tomorrow with mixed precipitation and very windy conditions. You could see winds starting off around 40 to 60 through the midday, and then by the late afternoon and early evening, gusting up to about 80, 90 kilometers per hour off the Bay of Quinte. Thursday, -3, snow developing, so about a 40% chance of flurries through the day. Definitely looking at snow by nightfall. Friday, it's a mix of sun and cloud and a high -7. Brockville, you're looking at mixed precipitation tomorrow too, with a high 3. Thursday, -2, and some snow overnight. That snow continues on Friday in a small way. 40% chance of flurries, probably ending by the afternoon. In Smiths Falls, flurries for you tomorrow with a high 2. High -4 Thursday, and cloudy, but flurries developing overnight, and a 40% chance of flurries on Friday, high -8. Kingston, your long-range forecast. Wind warnings in effect for Kingston, gusting up to about 90 km with a high 3 tomorrow. Mixed precipitation. Thursday, a high -2 with snow. Friday, some more flurries. Saturday, nothing but a high -6 and a mix of sun and cloud. But look out for the mixed precipitation on Sunday. A mix of sun and cloud over Monday.